Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm a student from Love Learning Quran, and today I will be showing you how to change your reciter in the revision area in Love Learning Quran. I'll first log in. I'll write my username and password and press the login button to enter my account. Once I enter my account, I scroll down a bit so that I can find the revision area in Love Learning Quran. So over here is the revision ayahs your teacher will give you, and the blue button, if you press it, it will play the ayah like this.
يوم يبعثهم الله جميعا فينبئهم بما عملوا أحصاه الله ونسوه والله على كل شيء شهيد.
Now to change the reciter, we go to the settings. We press the choose reciters button and we can choose any sheikh you want. We press the sheikh you want to read with, and now if we press the button,
ألم تر أن الله يعلم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض.
the reciter has changed. Now if you want to do something else, now if the Quran is too small for you or too big, you can change the font size. You can make the Arabic bigger, the translation bigger or smaller. And now the Quran is written bigger. So over here we can choose our reciters from over here, and we can also we can change the font size from here. Thank you.